Pretty awesome. Got the apprentice doing some housekeeping. Hey, it looks better. So what do we got here?
Purple power.
Purple power. What we got is the studio. Does that look like a studio? So this may be the only view you get of the studio coming together. But we had this race deck flooring for years. We use it for some other stuff, but we're getting that cleaned up, doing that there. So when you see us from now on, you're probably going to get this kind of an angle right here and never know that you go that far away as something different. Or if you spin around, you're going to be looking at this kind of stuff everywhere else. Cars everywhere and a whole line of cars to get built here. But so what are we getting ready to do here?
Clean this area up and start final assembly on
Jim's car.
Jim's
Are you excited?
I'm excited. I just opened up a bunch of Christmas parts.
Oh, it is. It's Christmas time around here.
It's Christmas time.
So I believe that's a stroker motor, if I'm not mistaken, and it gets a blower on it. I didn't.
871.
871. There you go. You know more about it than I do. So.
Oh yeah.
I need to pick up a 2800 stall torque converter so we can put that together, and get everything cleaned up. We got our hot spot. Let's show them the hot spot. We're gonna have to plug that in.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Yeah. So this is the hot spot. We're gonna get it decked out. We're gonna get our lights going. So if you make the hot spot, we're gonna feature it. And this is gonna be a 23. Not gonna be. It is. Jim's car. It's an extended. Body's painted. Kind of sorting out the parts, putting the parts all in order here, and got some more of the parts here. Got the motor, got the blower, got the transmission. So it just comes down to assembly now. So we want to clean this area up pretty nice.
Yep.
Probably take that blue thing off the wall. I don't know what that serves a purpose for. And let's make a nicer chart here. When you get down to the end, when you actually start. This is an old job here, but there's so much right now to do that you don't even need to start a list. But when you get down to the last 20 things, we make a list, and then you get them 20 things and you find another 10. So we do a list towards the end. That way you're not forgetting anything. So here we are. This is the next project. This is Jim's car. This is our first project.
Yep.
Back at the building. All right, so I think this is going to be exciting.
Super exciting.
We're gonna do videos over here. We're gonna do an instructional video. I've never done a like start to finish, here we go, and I can on this one because we already got brake lines run. But let's do it in components here. So when we assemble the rear end, you can do that kind of stuff, and I'll do the big overview. So you're the apprentice.
I'm the apprentice.
On YouTube.
Yep, got a YouTube channel. Please go check it out.
Go check it out. Like and subscribe. You gotta ask.
Yes. Please like and subscribe.
And we're gonna put this on T-Bucket TV. We've also got Spirit Cars. Those are both YouTube channels, and I've got several other channels. But we're gonna try to make T-Bucket TV focused. And behind the camera, I've inscripted. Is that a good way to put it? Recruited or volunteered or said, come do this. We have the snapper behind the camera. So we're building a car with the school, and he's here to help with that, and he helps us out somewhat at the fiberglass shop, but he's on the football team.
Awesome.
You know what? You know what he did yesterday?
No.
Something that should never happen. So he's a snapper, and he recovered a fumble. Not a good thing when your offense is recovering the fumbles. But you guys smoked him. Great job yesterday. They won 2 more victories and we're into the playoffs, so we're good there. We're excited about building a car with the Mountain Home Youth. We're going to do live videos. We're going to figure out how to do those live feeds and let you know when they're going to happen. And we're just going to fire up the whole channels. We're going to do it all. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter,
Instagram.
Twitch.
Oh yeah, get it going.
What are some of the other ones? Instagram,
yeah, it's a big
X.
one.
I like X. I'm a Elon Musk fan, so we're gonna start working with X. Share it around if you like what we're doing, and tell us on the live feeds too. Give us some feedback, and I really am trying to answer the comments. So if we can use the comments on the YouTube or whatever platform you're watching this on, I try to answer that, and I actually put BC at the end of it if I make the comment. So it's actually me if I do that. Otherwise, it might be somebody else. I don't know how the apprentice handle goes. But that's it for this quick video.